This is the Commodore News Update.
Welcome to this Commodore News Update for Wednesday, May 29th. I'm Douglas Deutsch. The busy spring sports season is winding down, but Maury still has teams alive in the state's playoff competition. Last week in tennis, Maya Bird and Zeta McMorris combined to win the Region 5A championship with a win over Princess Anne's top team. On the boys' side, Oliver Siegfried and Alex Soretis won the boys' 5A doubles championship. Over the holiday weekend, the baseball team defeated Salem behind the combined shutout pitching of Ben Capehart and Dalton Barham. However, on Memorial Day, the Commodore season came to an end with an 11-2 loss in the Region 5A semifinals. A win would have qualified them for the state playoffs. In girls soccer, Maury lost a 1-0 heartbreaker to Hickory in overtime in the Region 5A semifinals. Maury's last teams standing are the boys and girls tennis teams and the girls track team. The boys track team will send individual qualifiers to the championships as well. Here's Quante in the control room with more on where and when Commodore teams will compete.
Thanks, Douglas. On Friday, the qualifiers for the state track championship will complete in the Class 5 championship meet. Races begin at 5 p.m. at Todd Stadium in Newport News. In tennis, the boys and girls both take on Mills Goodwin at Henrico. The girls play at Northside Park while the boys play.
Thanks, Quante. Now here's what's happening at MHS. Finally, a big shout out goes to CJ Beasley, who committed to Virginia Tech after his senior year. Also, congratulations to Kobe Wynn, Jacob Hill, Javier Miranda Castro, and Halim Hack for winning our American Story Film documentary competition. That's your update for Wednesday. Have a great day.
This has been a Commodore News Update.
Ain't nobody got time for that.